Accountability is not the same as blame. Accountability means not blaming anyone, including ourselves. We hold ourselves and others accountable, which means taking responsibility for what we've done. We acknowledge our actions and reactions, and we make amends and apologize when appropriate. Accountability also means treating others with respect and engaging in problem resolution processes to deal with the differences that are causing conflict. We understand a lot more now about the effect of childhood trauma and how it gets passed on to succeeding generations until we take responsibility and heal. Just give it a thought and see how you feel.